Good morning. This is Kat, and I'm here from Portland, Oregon, appreciating once again the forest. And I have another coaching tip, something for you to think about. When I'm walking through the forest, I typically am carrying a stick. Okay. Walk gently and carry a big stick, or walk softly. I think that was something Theodore Roosevelt had told us. And I believe there's a lot of meanings behind that. When I'm carrying a stick and coaching, it's not really a stick. I'm not setting it up to beat somebody. But what I am doing is I'm setting a state that says I'm going to kind of create a peaceful and joyful and open state so I can hear and listen. And other things that get in the way, I'm going to have my stick for those. Now, when I'm walking through the forest, I try to make sure that if there's any webs that are in the way, that I get those webs before they get me. And in a way, you can definitely get caught in a web. I mean, if I was to show you all these webs inside of these trees, and you were to see all these, different kind of spider webs and stuff, you would say, well, watch out for those things. When I teach coaching and growing coach training, I encourage the people in the class to stop and notice what is it that gets in the way and what am I doing? How am I helping that? How am I avoiding it? What can I do so that I can have a better experience? And also for the coach, keeping in mind if you do have a web above your head or around you, be sure that you're watching out for things that you could get caught in, such as, is your client talking about something that's real similar to your story? Because if they are, you need to stop that and just pay attention to your client. It is true that we'll attract people who have similar stories, and it's nice to be able to share, but your process is really being present with your client for them to stay in their story. This is Kat Wilson, and I'll be starting Growing Coach Training September 1st and 2nd is the first weekend. And online we'll have an introduction on August the 29th from 7 to 8:30 p.m. If you're interested, I'd love to see you enter the class. And I've got a couple more seats open. So check out apositiva.com or call me at 503-525-0595. I'd love to see familiar faces, and I'd also love to see some new faces as well. So join me on the path. See you soon.